Hey folks, MACT here. And how much does a Ford Edge weigh? Now, I know I had in MACT garage here, I had a competition. How much a 2011 Ford Edge front wheel drive 3.5 weighs? It's a limited, so, you know, what can we get into it? And how much will it weigh? Now, as far as the stickers and everything else on it, it has the gross weight, maximum weight essentially. And what gross weight means is how much can I put into it before I exceed the safe limits that the designer has established. And I went and took it to a CAT scale. So let's go ahead and go for the drive, and then I'll come back and we'll take a look at the vehicle sticker, and then we'll look at the weight ticket and see where we're at.
I'll leave it here. Here. Laura, you want some? Here.
No, Mom. No.
I'll leave it there. In case we need it.
In case we run out of the box that's on the floorboard there. I always have masks in my car because I never know when I need one. What do you guys think this car will weigh? 4,000? 5,000 pounds? 100 pounds? I think we'll weigh more than 100 pounds.
Yeah, because Mom weighs
Mercedes
more than 100
weighs
pounds.
more than 100 pounds.
We all weigh more than 100 pounds.
I think it will be 1, 3, 4, 5, at least 6.
At least 6.
I think 800. Oh, I saw Corky.
Well, what if I told you this car probably weighs at least 4,300 pounds just by itself?
Oh, that's gonna be a lot of pounds.
4,000. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4,500.
4,500?
4,600.
4,600? What do you think?
4,936.
4,936 pounds?
Yes. A very exact answer.
Do you think that truck in front of us, that Durango, has any rust?
Yes, I think it has rust. I can see the inside.
Where are we going?
To go get weighed.
Like a car. That Durango definitely has rust.
Let's pay attention. Enjoy the trip. Where are we going? We're gonna go away in the car.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to go north to Interstate 80. Or do you want me to drive through town? I can get there either way. I can drive through town just as easy. Might take a little bit longer.
You guys want to see the town? Or the
We'll drive through town because we're only going to Northwest to the Flying J. They got a CAT scale there, so we'll go weigh at the CAT scale because that's an official scale. Probably just cleaned it off. It's probably been parked for a while, it looks like. Hasn't really driven it.
Look, that car has monster truck tires. See, not a real far drive.
just got to figure out how to get to the cat scale.
You get that road right there. Have to call them or tell them. You have to push a button. You have to push a button? Press the button.
Firmly for skill assistance.
Oh. That one right there, Billy.
Hang on. Let's eat it. Let's eat one. Did you get it?
I'll just go in through this way.
So many trucks.
I'll just run in here and go grab the ticket. Then we can see how much the car weighed.
And how low did they estimate the car was, Dad?
Some guess as low as 3,500 pounds. I don't think anybody guessed over 5,000.
I'm in the front seat!
If I waited for him, I wouldn't hit this turn signal. Trust me. This lady drives so darn slow.
That's a couple, old couple. Okay, driving slow. There's a lady in the gonna take the real baby. What are you gonna do with that?
What?
The things that are in the back of my car.
I gotta take him out and put him in the garage. Now, as you can see, I got my 2011 right here. And we got back from our run to the cat scale. Now, this is an official cat scale that I went ahead and had weighed. So let's go ahead and look at the door sticker. Let me do my code first. There we go. Now we're going to look at the actual sticker. And as we can see, we have a maximum gross vehicle weight of 5,380 pounds. That's right. So what did the sticker say? Well, we'll have to check that. But overall, go ahead and lock her. There you go. Got her locked up. Now, as far as this old Edge goes, it has a few things in the back. Not too much in the back seat now. I don't even know if we can see in there. Wasn't too much in the front seat, and in the back seat, not too much. Pretty empty. They were full earlier. A little bit of wear and tear. Holy cow, I didn't realize it looked that bad. I got a lot of equipment that bangs into that. But the back end, I had some stuff in the back too. So, as you can see, I had, what, 6 bottles of windshield washer, some paper, laptop, other stuff. I had all that. My Milwaukee is in there. Not too much, not too bad, but still, that's what I had in it. So let's go ahead and see what that ticket said, and see who won that MX Plus that I was giving away. And I'm going to tell you all right now, based on the numbers I saw, you all underestimated. Every one of you. Nobody went over. Everybody underestimated. So let's go ahead and see what the weight sticker says and discuss some of our weights a little bit as to what this Ford Edge can do, and did we exceed anything as far as weight capacities. Now, as you can see, this is a certified automated truck scale, CAT scale, and we went and weighed it today, as you can tell right there by the date, and got everything here. Steer axle, 2,920 pounds. That means the front axle, that's what it weighed. The drive axle, which is the rear, was 2,220 pounds. And the total gross weight of the vehicle was 5,140. Now that is 240 pounds shy of the gross vehicle weight, as we saw on the sticker. And it is also an overloaded front axle, if you think about it. Now, how does this play into account? Well, if I have 3 adults and 1 child, which is nearly an adult, we are having a problem, because if I wanted to hook a trailer up to it, I only have 240 pounds of tongue weight available to me, and we're not even talking luggage here, are we, folks? So, yeah, it is real easy and quick to overload with 4 adults, a Ford Edge, and then try to tow something. Because once you exceed that gross vehicle weight, then you have a problem. But anyway, the winner is the one that guessed closest to 5,140 pounds. And they win the MX Plus, which is a device something like this. I don't have one out here with me, but this is what they won right here. The MX Plus that I'm giving away, and $100 value just for guessing on MACT Ford Edge on Facebook. That's right, that's all it took. And hey, good guess. Anyway, as long as he has a U.S. mailing address, he'll be the winner. He's letting me know if he does right now, because he doesn't, but he's trying to get a hold of a friend maybe he can mail it to. But if he doesn't, I'll pick the next runner-up, and we'll go from there. But anyway, this is MACT Garage. Hope you all enjoyed this and see what a Ford Edge can weigh. And it's surprisingly more heavy than you think. And that is, of course, not a good thing if you try to load her up to go on vacation. So anyway, remember, like, subscribe, join, and also, one other thing. Remember, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day, too. Also, Band of One's always got some good music. Mercy Girl's always got something to say. And there might be a little bit of bonus footage at the end of this. Who knows? We'll see what we're doing.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.